Namaste, Bitia. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today, our topic is what is computer graphics and what is the introduction of computer graphics, what is the definition of computer, why computer graphics we use. So, basically, computer graphics involve technology to access the process, transform, and present information in a visual form. The role of computer graphic insensible. In today's life, computer graphic has now become a common element in user interface like TV, commercial, motion pictures. Computer graphics is the creation of picture with the help of a computer. The end product of the computer graphics is a picture. It may be business graph, drawing, and engineering. In computer graphics, two or three dimensional picture can be created that are used for research. Many hardware devices algorithm has been developing for improving the speed of picture generation with the pass of time. It includes the creation storage of models and image of object. These models for various fields like engineering, mathematical, and so on. Today's computer graphics is entirely different from the earlier one. It is not possible. It is interactive. User can control the structure of an object of the various input devices. So the basically definition of computer graphic, it is the use of computer to create and manipulate picture on a display device. It comprises of software technique to create, store, modify, represent and the picture. So why computer graphic we use? Suppose a shoe manufacturing company want to show the sale of shoes for 5 years. For this vast amount of information is to store, so a lot of time and memory will be needed. This method will be tough to understand by a common man. In this situation, graphics is a better alternative. Graphics tool are charts and graph. Using graph, data can be represented in a pictorial form. A picture can be understood easily just with a single look. Interactive computer graphics work using the uh, concept of two-way communication between computer user. The computer will receive signal from the input device and the picture is modified accordingly. So the picture will change quickly when we applied a command, when we given any instruction. So changes, frequently changes will occur in the picture. So this is the computer graphics. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, the IoT Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.